Good afternoon, students. So today we are going to learn some of the operators in your quantum mechanics. Okay. So what is mean by operator? Operator means it is a mathematical operation or any operation which is to be operated on a function. Okay. Last lecture we have seen that eigenvalue and eigenfunction. In that lecture I have explained about the operator. Okay. So first of all we will take the momentum operator. Okay. So momentum it is denoted by P. Okay. So what is the momentum operator? The momentum operator is given by minus I h cross dou by dou x. Okay. So this is your momentum operator. That means if you operate momentum operator on any function f of x, this function will this will be minus I h cross dou by dou x into this f of x. This will be operated on this function f of x. Okay. Suppose if your f of x is equals to your suppose 6x square, and on this function, okay, this is your value of psi of x, 6x square. On this 6x square, we have to operate this momentum operator. So momentum operator operated on a psi of x. What is your momentum operator? Minus I h cross dou by dou x into what is your psi of f of x? That is your psi of x, 6x square. Okay. So this will gives you minus I h cross. What is the ddx of 6 differentiation of 6x square? This will be your 12x. Okay. So what is the value here? That value will be minus I h cross x, or minus, we can write it minus I h cross into 12x. Okay. So this is about your momentum operator. So what is momentum operator? Minus I h cross dou by dou x. So if you multiply I to the numerator as well as denominator, what happens? This term will be equals to your minus I square divided by I into h cross dou by dou x. What is the value of I square? I square is given by I square is equals to minus 1. So if you substitute minus 1 here, this minus minus will get plus. So this will be h cross I divided by dou x. That means your momentum operator minus I h cross dou by dou x, this operator you can write also h cross divided by I dou by dou x. Okay. This momentum operator corresponding to your x axis. If it is corresponding to your y axis, you can write this as a minus I h cross dou by dou y. If it is corresponding to your z axis, you can write minus I h cross dou by dou z also. Okay. So this is about your momentum operator. Okay. Now you are going to learn about what is the operator for your kinetic energy. Okay. What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy. So kinetic K dot E. What is kinetic energy? It is given by P square divided by twice m. Okay. P stand for your momentum. Why this is? Because what is kinetic energy? Half m v square. You can multiply m to the numerator as well as denominator. This will be m square v square divided by twice m. But what is momentum? Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. So this term can be written as, so half, this is your kinetic energy. Okay. So kinetic energy you can write as P square divided by twice m. That's why I have written kinetic energy is equals to P square divided by twice m. Okay. So what is momentum operator? P is equals to minus I h cross dou by dou x. If it is one dimensional. Okay. If it is three dimensional, you can write minus I h cross del also. Okay. So this one is in three dimension. It is in three dimension. Okay. And this one is in your one dimension, or it is along x axis. So what is P square then? P square will be, this will be minus square will be plus, this will be I square, okay, this will be h cross square, this will be d square divided by dx square. So what is my value of I square? That is minus 1. So p square is equals to minus h cross square d square divided by dx square. So from this equation you can say that what is the operator for kinetic energy? If you substitute this value here, you will get this equation is equals to minus h cross square divided by twice m d square divided by dx square. So that is the kinetic energy operator. Okay, this is your kinetic energy operator, but it is in which dimension? In one dimension. Okay. Similarly, if you have to calculate it for 3 dimension, suppose you have to calculate this in terms of 3 dimension, you can get the operator is equals to minus h cross square divided by twice m. This will represent with the del operator, del square. So this is your operator in case of 3 dimension. d dx square replaced with the del. So what is del? Del is your d dx, your plus d dy plus d dz along x axis, y axis and z axis. So this is your kinetic energy operator. Okay. Now if you have to find out the operator for total energy, so what is total energy? Total energy is equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay. So what is kinetic energy? P square divided by twice m. And what is potential? V. And what is momentum operator? Already you have written it, minus h cross square divided by twice m d square divided by dx square plus potential. So this is your which operator? This is your total energy operator. It is in which dimension? But it is in one dimension, and potential here it is function of x only. Okay. So if you have to calculate it 3 dimension, you can write E is equals to minus h cross square divided by twice m. This del will be replaced, d dx will be replaced with the del square plus potential is a function of r. So this is in your, it is in your 3 dimension. Okay. So this is about your operator in momentum operator, kinetic energy operator and total energy operator. Okay. So thank you.